Hello everyone, welcome to Broccoli Master YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about the Streamlit. If you don't know about Streamlit is an open source framework designed to turn Python scripts into a shareable web application with minimal effort. Sometimes we need to build a web application for testing our application, either our application is working fine or not. And for it, we also required front-end part. Using HTML, CSS, JavaScript takes a lot of time and effort for making the application. So with the use of Streamlit, we can do it in very simpler steps. Whether you are a data scientist, analyst, or someone who are interested to create an interactive web application, Streamlit is a powerful tool that can make your work easier and more dynamic. By the end of this video, you will have a solid foundation to create your own interactive web application and dashboard. So without wasting your time, let's begin it. So let's first open our VS Code. We will write CMD. After that, we will open the VS Code. Finally, our VS Code is opened. After that, open the terminal. This terminal, let's make the virtual environment. Okay. For it, Python, and that again, let's activate our virtual environment. Now here we will create app.py. Okay, let's create it, and in this environment we will install Streamlit. Pip install Streamlit. Let it install. It will take some minute. On fast, taking some time. Finally, it got installed. Now again we need to install the pandas and numpy. Okay, so here we write pip install numpy pandas. So the library got installed in our virtual env. So after that, let's create our first Streamlit project. Okay, so for it we need to import the necessary library here. We are importing Streamlit. Import Streamlit as st. Curly import pandas as pt and import numpy as. The main feature of this is we don't need to write the code like we are doing in the HTML, CSS, JavaScript. It's save our lot of time. Let's create our first title, and for it we write st.title my first Streamlit app. Okay, for running this app.py file in Streamlit, we need to write a command like streamlit run app.py. After our local server will be open here, you can see on our screen. So finally you are seeing here my first Streamlit. This is our title in our Streamlights, and while we're going on console, and let's check it on the console part. When we click here, similarly you can see that it is our s1 tag, and it automatically make the s1 tag. So this is our benefit to work with our Streamlit app. We don't need to write the HTML, CSS code for making a simple query. Okay, it do all of the steps in a very simple way. As you are using a Django, most of the time you need to create a files for the make the authentications. As you are working in a Django framework, sometimes it makes you very difficult to make a query. It takes a lot of time to make a forms and to deal with that forms. So by using a Streamlit, you can do a simple query with that, and it also helps to save you a lot of time to make a project. Similarly, you can see that it automatically generate our HTML tag here, and based on it can give you h1 tag here. So in this way this Streamlit function is working. So let's explore more function on it. So if you want to display simple text on it, you need to write the command like this. So for it, let's write here, and when we pass st.write hello world, then it will display our simple text hello world in our frame. So let's save it and check it again. Whilst refreshing it, you can see here the hello world is printed here. So let's create a data frame here. How the data frame look like actually. Okay, so for it I'm passing here comment data frame. So I'm taking a simple data frame here. Okay, so this is our data frames, and it automatically make a tables, and on that tables you can see the name, age, country. let's pass it here, and before it I want to pass here, so let's write it here st write hey our. Let's save it and check it again. That is refresh the page and you will see the data frame here. So if you want to print this data frame on the above, simply you can write the code on above the data frames. So let's do it. If I write this code above and after saving it, you can display data above here. Okay, so in this way this data frame will be created and it's look up very beautiful. And you can see here we don't need to write enough code. Just writing the data frame in a very simple format, it will convert automatically in HTML and CSS format. So it saves a lot of time to make this. Okay, and if you want to check this code in a HTML formats, let's do it. And here simple click on it, and when you click this format, then here this code is automatically generate this types of code. Look here. Okay, this HTML code is automatically generated by there. So let's explore more thing on it. Let's display our chart on this, how the chart will look like on this formats. So let's do it. So I will getting the line chart here. Okay, so getting the line chart, so it's automatically created. Hey, this is our line chart. And after that let's take a random value here. Okay, chart data and np random, it will take the random value on ABC column, and let's print it. After saving this, let's see how it look like. Refresh it again and you'll see here it's running. Wow, what a beautiful chart it printed here. And you can also save this chart in a photo formats. You can also open in a new tabs, so it's look like very beautiful. Oh, nicely, it can also zoom this chart. Okay, I got a lot of impress here by using this. So on this, let's get a more widgets folder here. Okay, so I'm getting here widgets.py. okay, and on this we will test more functions here. What types of functions are here? First let's import pandas as dd, import Streamlit as st. Okay, so let's now try input portion here. Okay, so for it I am writing here simple input. I am writing simple here text in which the user can input their name and it will get print there. Okay, so let's try it. For it let's write here st.title, and here we put write your name. Okay, after that try if name, and here we also need to define the input tag. Okay, so let's define it equal to st.text input into your name. Okay, so it will take our name. After that this name will be taken here and it will print hello and name. Okay, let's save it and test it again. Let's refresh our page. We actually need to run our widgets.api file. Okay, let's run it first, and here we will kill this terminal, and again we will write Streamlit run widgets.py. Okay, so here this name into your name is printed there. So I am simply writing my name, broccoli master. So here it got printed hello broccoli master. It's a very nice format. Okay, now let's try a selector here, how the selector is actually working there. Okay, so for selector I am writing here selector. Okay, after that we will take the age selector. Okay, I am writing age equal to st.slider select your age, and I am giving the option as it is 0, 25 and 100. It means that it ranges from 0 to 100 and the middle value is 25. Okay, so after that let's print it again, and here we write st.write your age is this. Okay, so let's save it and open this again. Let's refresh the file, and from this selector you can select it manually. Okay, so whatever you're selecting, the age will applicable here. So I think I have write 25. Let's see why it is not working there. It is only showing 0 to 100, so I think it must be available on 25. It means that guys it will start from 0 to 100 and the selector will default available on 25 range. Okay, so let's save it and check it again. So finally you can see here the default value is our 25. So when we select this file, then it will automatically print our age. So after that, let's try option category, how the option is actually working here. Okay, so let's try it. And here we will write the option, and let's give the option of multiple color, which the user will select a color and it will print automatically. So let's do it. Write option is equal to st dot select box. Okay, that on it, write select your favorite color. Let's give it an option. It will be red or so or green. Okay, after that let's print it. So for printing, we will write st dot write your favorite color is. It will take from the option. So let's check it how it is working. Let's refresh the file again. Oh, you can see here, when you select the green, then it will appear green. When you select the red, then it will automatically appear the red. So in this way you can utilize different types of functions. Or if you want to use the upload functions on it, then let's do it again. For it, we will take out one data frames, and that data frames will automatically print the data, and after that we can also upload a file on it. Okay, so let's do it. So let's upload the file. Okay, I will first make a data frame one using this name on it, and after that we will store this data frame in our df. Let's write df2. Let's convert this data frame to a CSV file. Okay, so CSV, we will write samples data dot that write st write. So let's save the file, take it again. Let's refresh the page. Okay, this data frame is came here, and I think this data frame must be available on our folder. So here you can see that the sample data.csv file is, this all data frame is automatically stored here. Okay, so if I want to again read that samples.csv files by uploading the file and read it automatically, then let's do it. So I am writing the upload command, upload the files. Okay, and we'll write here upload file uploader, choose a file, and we will take a CSV file. Okay, and again write if upload file is not on, then write upload.file.name, then df is equal to pd dot read csv and upload that file. So now let's save it and check it again. Let's refreshing the page, and here you can see that our this uploader file is available here. So it is looking very nice here. Let's upload a file, and our file is actually available on our local disk C on Streamlit, and this is sample.csv. So let's take it. So here you can see that it only upload the files. So if I want to print or display all the files, all the data that is stored on the samples.data.csv files, so let's do it by implementing the certain code on our VS Code. So here we will write for printing, for write st.write dataset review. That again, here we write st data frame df. Okay, let's save it and let's check it on our file. Again refreshing. So here you can see that when we are uploading our file, they automatically print the data here. Okay, so let's again upload a file, and here data will print automatically. So this is for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. For the next video, we will see how can we connect the Streamlit to our Django framework. We will take the input data from the Streamlit and store that data in our Django server. And please make sure that you have subscribed our YouTube channels. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe it. And please share this video to your friends or family who are interested to learn Django and AI. Till now, keep watching and keep coding. Thanks for watching the video.